Sniffy. I gave Sniffy an Acidophilus tablet, the kind that humans eat. They're chewables. First day he didn't want to eat it. The following morning it was gone. He ate it, I'm positive. And his appetite has been through the roof. I wouldn't advise giving them to hamsters on a regular basis because they are, for humans, they are sugared. They do have sugar in them. And it's a fairly big one. It's about the size of a Tums. A little bit bigger than a Tums, actually. But volume-wise, it is about the same as a Tums. And he's been just eating like crazy. And I know he's been taking some into his nest to sleep, but he's not hoarding it. He's actually eating it. So his appetite's just crazy. It's through the roof. He never used to do this. He never used to cheek his food. He's only cheeking it probably because he's eating more than he carries. Usually I put 1 or 2 pieces of food in his den, and that's all he usually will need before he wakes up in the morning, but I guess now he's eating a little more. His appetite is really, really good. And in he goes. I put them together so he could maybe go through his houses together. But, yeah, there you go, guys. It's the 20th, and I'll go wash the wheel now. I just got out of the shower. Okay, guys? It's the 20th of June. It's Thursday.